to the fans. Ang nagigets ko na kayo ngayon kung bakit ganun siya mag-react sa mga kanta ng SB19.
Anong bias mo na?
Si Kuya. So, for today's video, mag-react kami ng SB19. SB19 is particularly Bazinga. Oh, ito ba yung video na?
I'm an 18 and this guy is not 18.
18 or 19?
18, oh yeah, you don't know yet, no? 18 is like A''TIN. Yun yung tawag sa mga fans ng SB19. Kasi
Okay.
daw, there's no SB19 kung walang 18. Kasi diba 18, 19.
Oh, okay.
Fans first before them daw.
Before them. Okay.
Cute na.
Oh, ito ba yung video na?
Yeah. Hold on. Okay, so before anything else,
Actually, narinig ko na tong kanta, yung mga ibang part. Hindi ko pinakapakinggan ng todo kasi that time, from Daytona to Orlando. So, sa mga hindi nakakalam, I live in Florida.
and I used to live in Daytona for like 2
She
years.
used to live in Daytona. So, I would drive from Orlando to Daytona, Daytona to Orlando every day just to see her. And now, nandito siya sa Texas.
Yeah, and we were able to shoot the video.
Yeah.
Buti na
Dapat
lang,
talaga,
no?
kagabi to, pero kakatapos lang ng kasal ni
Ate Marie.
Kuya Brian at Ate Maurice. So, congratulations sa
Ito na
kanila.
yung picture. Ting, ting, ting. So, I tweeted on our Twitter, what do you call this? Account. It's at Alan_Ina. You can follow us there. So, lagyan na yung screenshot. And as of now,
Dito
it
lalabas
was...
yung screenshot.
And as of now, it was retweeted 1,316 times and likes ng 1,542.
So, hindi namin na-expect yun. Kasi, hindi naman kami talaga, we don't have videos yet. This is gonna be the first video in our channel. Aspiring vloggers.
Wow.
Yung
And
buhay namin.
I can really see the support from the 18. Like, they're telling me to let
Like,
you.
make videos na talaga. Especially for me to react sa Bazinga.
Without further ado.
So, yeah, huwag na natin patagalin to. Magre-react na ako kasi siya napanood niya na to eh. Fan siya eh. So, let's see.
Wait. Oh my god, wait.
What happened?
So, what are you expecting from the title pala? Like Bazinga.
I don't really know what to expect kasi, first of all, hindi ko talaga kilala yung SB19. Nakilala ko lang sila just because of her. Siguro, ang may expect ko dito is parang nakaka-hype yung song. Ewan ko, basta I can feel na nakaka-hype yung song.
Kasi when I sing the song, no, with actions pala.
Yeah. Pag kinakanta niya sa kotse, like with actions, basta halos umaalog na yung truck ko, ayug-yug niya ng Bazinga.
Here, you can press me.
Na natin to. Okay. So, start pa lang nung kanta, parang gusto mo nang tumayo agad. Parang, halika na, parang ganun na eh. Parang gusto mo nang tumayo agad. Pati yung mukha, hindi ko alala yung una.
Let's tell.
Yung mukha ni Kuya. Parang, Parang gumagano na agad siya na parang kaya na tayo.
Oh.
Wait lang. Bago matuloy, ilan pala sila sa grupo?
They're 5.
Oh.
We call it, may isang fan na nag-tweet ng mahal 5.
Mahal 5.
Mahal 5 kasi mahal, tas 5. Mahal daw kami ng 5. That's for 18. SB19.
Oh. For the fans.
Oh!
Yeah, so para silang sorry kung nagpo-pause ako pero para silang K-pop version ng Pilipino. Why?
Don't say that.
Why, baby?
We don't like it. We're like,
I mean, kasi yung the way sila pumorma. Siguro.
we still don't like it.
Para lang sa
I
akin.
have to explain it.
Okay, sige.
Kasi like, what do you expect for the Filipinos to wear? Like, gusto mo ba magbahag sila? Like,
Well, yeah, may point. Pero I mean, kasi yung K-pop,
I'm not saying na masama magbahag, but like, it's always an issue when it comes to SB19. Like, yung sound daw nila, it sounds like Korean. Pero, lagi nga sinasabi ng leader ng SB19 is music is universal. It's a universal language.
yeah, and it's not about the beat, whatever.
Parang, yeah. Tapos yung attire nila, alam mo kahit magbarong sila, na may embroider ng like flag, something. May magko-comment pa din ng, may magko-comment pa din ng ano bang outfit yan? Parang Korean.
Well, yeah,
Nakabarong
alam mo
na nga
naman,
like,
alam mo naman yung mga tao. I'm just saying, guys, like, nothing against SB19 and to their fans,
yeah.
but I'm just saying, like, the way they look almost like Koreans. But let's get to the video. Oh, shit.
I know.
Ang ganda
Yeah, I know.
Ang ganda nung graffiti sa video. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, mahilig ako sa mga graffiti.
Okay, show pictures. Ding, ding.
So pumunta kami sa downtown Houston /Hood, which is like more on hip hop, freestyle rap. Mahilig ako sa mga ganun. So it's not, hindi ko talaga alam yung definition ng street art. Pero para sa akin, street art is graffiti, freestyle rap, and that's pretty much it.
Oh, funny.
Oh yeah,
That's cool, no? What the?
So yung beat na to, yun yung gusto kong beat.
Which one?
Itong parang, yeah, yung parang instrumental, sobrang astig niya.
Oh,
ganda yung edit na. Hey. So, pag binabasa mo yung lyrics, hindi lang siya basta lyrics.
Now we're talking.
That's more on, kasi nakita ko merong Almighty God. Tapos, the other guy was talking about the haters and all that.
Because,
So,
the
sige,
song actually is for the haters. That's why.
oh,
Look at you, look at you.
yeah, that's true. Anyway.
Yay!
So, honest review guys. Maganda yung lyrics niya, to be honest. Pati yung nakita ko na Almighty God. Tapos, yung about sa haters. So, para sa akin, it's a good music. Maganda yung lyrics. Hindi siya yung like,
Basta na, no?
yung modern, nothing against with the modern music nowadays, but like, yung lyrics kasi ng mga kanta ngayon, puro mura, about drugs,
Yeah!
and about girls, boozy, twerking, all that. There's nothing wrong with that, about those type of music, pero ito kasi may laman.
Naman, yeah.
May laman.
Busog na busog.
Tapos, they're talking about their haters. So, message to SB19 itself. Don't let anybody to ruin your career, guys. And, tuloy nyo lang yung ginagawa nyo. Kasi, maraming taong sumasaya. Dahil sa music nyo, the way you guys sing, yung sa mga sayaw nyo. There's, I would say, thousands of fans out there na sumusuporta sa inyo. Haters. Ibiblip nyo yun. I said the F word, but like... Plus to the fans, sorry baby, to the fans, ang nagigets ko na kayo ngayon kung bakit ganun siya mag-react sa mga kanta ng SB19, kung bakit siya sobrang ka-diehard fan. Gets ko na ngayon. Kasi talaga namang nakaka-hype talaga yung song. Talagang may laman yung song, hindi siya bullshit song.
I have a question na. Anong part yung yung like parang na ka?
Yung part na bumukas, 'di ba parang yung isang lalaki nasa cage siya. Yung bumukas yung cage.
Okay.
Tsaka yung nagkaroon na ng effects yung kamay ng isang lalaki. So hindi ko sila kalala guys, sorry. So
It's gonna
hindi ko
be
alam yung mga
Pablo.
pangalan nila. Nung nagkaroon ng effects yung kamay niya, astig, sobrang astig ng edit na yun. Kudos dun sa gumawa ng video. Pati yung yung tapos ng video, yung KO SB19 wins, sobrang astig nun. Kasi parang
Cute na.
lalo nilang pinamuka na na-KO nila yung haters nila, tapos sila pa rin yung nanalo sa uli.
Anong bias mo na? Like, bias is like, parang pag nakikita mo silang lima, ano naman kasi, like, parang pantay-pantay, pero there's this one person na parang hindi mo maiwasang hindi matingnan sila.
Si kuyang nag-walkie-talkie sa simula.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Si Stella?
siya.
Oh my God.
Kasi siya yung para sa akin, siya yung nag-hype ng music eh. Yung bago yung Bazinga. Yeah, yung bago yung yung Bazinga. Yeah. Kasi siya yung nagsisimula nung walkie-talkie. So parang siya yung nagko-call ng attention na parang, yo guys.
Oh my
it's
God.
parang, bakit?
Parang sa per group may location. Halimbawa, yung sa'yo, si
that's
Stel, strawberry yung kanya. So yung fans nila, ang fandom nila is like, Stelberry?
Pero napansin ko talaga si Kuya yung nag-walkie-talkie. Siya, para sa akin siya yung nagpa-hype. Actually, na-hype ako.
Welcome.
Dun sa nag-ano siya.
Strawberry Farm.
Strawberry Ay, strawberry. Yung nag-ano siya, nag-walkie-talkie siya kasi
That's
parang
nice.
sinasabi niya na let's get started. Yung para maging hype na tayo.
So we're gonna end the video here.
Yeah, so actually ito yung first ever video namin i-upload sa channel. And plus guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe sa channel namin.
Yeah, comment down any suggestions.
Yeah, so my name is Alan
My name is Ina.
and we see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna play like probably 10 seconds long and let me know if you want to react this or not. I understand if you don't like it.